As you heard in Vinny's live shot just moments ago, St. Louis Mayor Lyda Krewson says the city's stay-at-home order remains in effect indefinitely. St. Louis County Executive Sam Page says he plans to reevaluate in mid-May, but the stay-at-home order in the county also in effect indefinitely. And earlier this month, Jefferson County Executive Dennis Gannon extended his county stay-at-home order indefinitely. Now, the Missouri statewide order runs through Sunday, May 3rd. However, Franklin County plans to start reopening some businesses this Friday, just a few days from now, more than a week before the state stay-at-home order is scheduled to end. Now, outside of 2 nursing homes there, the number of COVID-19 cases in the county is low. But a relative of a resident at one of those nursing homes is raising serious concerns about the care. It's the Grandview Healthcare Center in Washington. Russell Kinsaw has spent the day learning more about this. Live for us right now in Union.
Claire, right here in Union is where government officials track those COVID-19 numbers for Franklin County. At the Grandview Healthcare Center in Washington, 51 residents have tested positive, 7 have died. But the granddaughter of one of the residents questions the care that residents are receiving. She says that some of the employees either don't wear or improperly wear their personal protective equipment.
And she is the sweetest, most loving, but the spunkiest, honoriest person that anyone's ever met.
Sara Anderson is talking about her 89-year-old grandmother, Ann Steen. She says a relative saw an employee who wasn't wearing any protective gear in her grandmother's room after she tested positive for COVID-19. Anderson says she talked with the director of nursing about that.
And she actually was very transparent with me and told me that day that she had to write up, and numerous staff had been in trouble for not following the PPE guidelines.
Anderson claims that for days, the staff told her that her grandmother's health was fine, despite her confusion on the phone and her condition when she eventually was taken to the Missouri Baptist Medical Center emergency room.
She had a urinary tract infection. Obviously, she was COVID, she's got the COVID. She has bacterial pneumonia. And then from all of that stuff, now she's having AFib complications.
Plus, her oxygen level was low, and she says her grandmother hadn't had a bath in 2 weeks.
That's where my heart hurts now, is my grandma's getting the care she needs. But what about the many other residents that are still there?
I reached out to Grandview Healthcare Center to ask about these concerns, and the facility emailed a statement which says, in part, Grandview Healthcare remains in daily contact with the Franklin County Health Department and is continuing to follow recommendations of the CDC and the Department of Health and Senior Services. The Franklin County Health Department contacted Grandview staff and spoke with them regarding the use of PPE. The Franklin County Health Department found no issue with PPE usage. Well, in a positive development, some nurses at Mercy Hospital, Washington, have friends and relatives at the nursing home have stepped forward offering to help. An agreement has been reached between the nursing home and the hospital, and now some Mercy hospitals will be supporting the staff at Grandview Healthcare and providing care for the residents there at that nursing home. Live in Union, Russell Kinsaw, News 4.